Here in Accra, saving the ocean from the negative effects of human activities is the focus of a 5-day meeting of scientists in Accra. The Vice-Chancellor of the University of Energy and Natural Resources, Professor Elvis Asaribediako, said the meeting will ensure the sustained development and use of ocean and coastal observations for the benefit of society.
Pollution of the ocean by waste effects of climate change, illegal fishing, oil spillage, activities of galamsey and other human activities negatively impact on the ocean, a major source of biodiversity, food and life. Better management of the ocean resources is thus crucial to ensuring global food security. Scientists across the globe are using remote sensing technology in the mapping of the ocean to offer a cheaper, more flexible option for surveillance of activities that impact the ocean negatively. Organizers say the Accra Symposium will increase regional linkages, promote collaboration between stakeholders, observant community and gather community feedback on the focus of GEO Blue Planet's activities. The Vice-Chancellor of the University of Energy and Natural Resources, Professor Elvis Asaribediako, and Dean of International Relations Office of the University, Professor Amos Kabuba, were hopeful that a symposium will ensure the sustained development and use of ocean and coastal observations for the benefits of society.
We, as the University of Energy and Natural Resources, we've been looking beyond the coastal and marine environment. Through this Earth observation, areas where damming can take place. And you know there's a need for us to, through damming, we're able to generate electricity, you understand? So damming for that, and damming even for agriculture. Through this one, we're able to monitor even the levels of water. You know, we're able to determine that through the Earth observation, satellite and all that. We'll be able to monitor all that. So you see, this will help in national development.
For us to reach to the stage whereby we have our water in a pristine, it means the quality of the water as it is when God created it. Now, that is a very difficult task. It means from the researcher, from the one who takes decisions, we must sit and know that water is life. And if we don't have water in the right quantity, it doesn't matter how rich you are. I think that is a message. That is why we have brought all these people from across the world to come and for us to discuss, because we are all bonded by one thing, water. And the quality of it is important for us.
A member of the GEO Blue Planet, Emily Ismail, said this year's symposium on the local action in support of global traction is specifically geared towards improving GEO Blue Planet's engagement with African nations.